أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. I welcome all of you back from the short break we went, and we're going to proceed with the quiz competition now with basic science. So all the participants are seated, so I'm going to right away hand over the mic to the chief judge. Over to you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. As the coordinator made mention that the subject at hand is basic science, and the basic science contains 30 questions which you are expected to select from the number 1 to 30 of the questions. So I think the first group to start with is Sheikh Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi House. So Sheikh Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi House, you have 30 questions, out of which you choose one to ask.
Number 9.
You choose number 9. Alright. So the question number 9. The question number 9 says, your attention please. Which of the following opposes motion between objects? Which of the following opposes motion between objects? A. Friction. B. Force. C. Contact. D. Field. E. Electric.
A. Friction.
A. Friction. Are you very much sure of what
Yes.
you said? Okay, friction is the answer. On to group 2, which is called albaniy house. Time start.
5.
Question number 5. The question number 5 says, the ability to do work is A. Power. B. Speed. C. Energy. D. Velocity. E. Weight.
C. Energy.
C. Energy. Are you sure?
Yes.
Energy is the answer. Well done.
Number 1.
The next group is Sheikh Baal Mishinkafa House.
Number 1.
Question number 1. Question number 1 says, which of the following is not an immunizable disease? Which of the following is not an immunizable disease? A. Cholera. B. Malaria. C. Smallpox. D. Tuberculosis. E. Whooping cough.
B.
B what?
Malaria.
Malaria is the answer. Congrats. On to Sheikh Jafar House.
Number 11.
Question number 11. Question number 11 says, which of the following best describe union between two gametes? Which of the following best describe the union between two gametes? A. Egg. B. Sperm. C. Ovulation. D. Gestation. And E. Fertilization. B. Sperm.
Ovulation.
Ovulation. Are you okay with it? Is that what you choose to be the answer?
Yes.
Retinko. You are satisfied?
Yes.
Okay. So you missed it. The answer is fertilization. Yeah. The first round complete. Now the second round goes to Sheikh Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi House.
Number 25.
Question number 25. So here we go. The question number 25 says, what is the method of separating chalk from water? What is the method of separating chalk from water? A. Refraction. B. Sublimation. C. Distillation. D. Filtration. And E. Refining.
C. Distillation.
C. Distillation. Are you sure of what you said?
Yes.
Routine. The group member, are you satisfied? Think over it again.
Yes.
You are okay with it?
Yes.
You still have time to think?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright. So the correct answer is what? Is D, which is filtration. So you've missed this. So sorry about that. Now the next house is Sheikh Albani house.
That's one. That's one.
The questions were 1 to 30, no 31 included. It's not up to 40, it's question 1 to 30. You have to choose from question 1 to 30.
What?
1 to 30, they are not up to 40.
14.
Question number 14. So here we go. Oh. Why did you decide to choose 14? Anyway, it's your choice. The SI unit of mass is A. Gram, B. Meter, C. Centimeter, and D. Kilogram.
D. Kilogram.
E. Kilogram. Are you sure of what you said?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes.
So the correct answer is kilogram. You got it? Now, question number 3. The question number 3 says, what type of energy required when cooking food? When you want to cook a food, what type of energy did you require to make use of? A. Heat. B. Solar. C. Light. D. Electrical. And E. Sound. A. Heat. We still have solar. Don't you use solar to cook? Heat.
Yes.
So you all agree with me?
Yes.
So barakallah fi. Heat is the answer. Now on to Sheikh Jafar Adam's house.
Number 4.
Question number 4. Question number 4 says, which of the following is a primary source of energy? The primary source of energy is A. Light. B. Chemical. C. Water. D. Plants. And E. Sun.
E. Sun.
Hey? There's water. Light is also there. Sun is the answer. The group member, are you okay with what he said? Really? So sun is the answer. Congratulations. Now the third round goes to Sheikh Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi house.
Number 6.
Question number 6. Oh. So question number 6 says, which of the following illustrates the life cycle of a mosquito? That's small thing that will disturb us. Mosquito. So which of the following illustrates the life cycle of a mosquito? A. Adult, larva, pupa, and egg. B. Egg, larva, adult. C. Egg, nymph, adult. D. You have egg, larva, pupa, and adult. D. D.
Yes.
That is egg, larva, pupa, and adult.
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
You all agree with what he said?
Yes.
Your choice? So D is the answer? Yes. Next to Sheikh Albani house, the group 2.
Question 20.
Question number 20. Number 20. So here we go. The question number 20 says, which of the these exist in 3 states of matter? Which of these exists in three states of matter? A. Petrol. B. Water. C. Air. D. Kerosene. E. Diesel. What? What is A? What is C? Mention the answer. Okay, yeah. Okay. So the group member, are you satisfied with what he said?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You all agree with him?
Yes.
Alright, it's your choice. So the correct answer is water. It is only water that undergoes three states of matter: solid, liquid, and a gaseous state. So that's all. Next to Shekwa Meshinkafa House.
15.
Question number 15.
How many minutes?
Alright.
Number 2.
Okay.
2 marks.
Question number 15 has been answered. Please choose another number.
Number 7.
Question number 7. Here we are. Question number 7 says, ecosystems are affected by the following except. Ecosystems are affected by all of the following except. A. Abiotic. B. Biotic. C. Climate. D. Physiographic.
Physiographic.
The group member, rethink again, and so you are also satisfied with what he said. Physiography is the answer. Are you sure? So, physiography is not the answer. The correct answer is what? Biotic. Next to Sheikh Jafar Mahmoud Adam House.
Number 10.
Number 10. Wow. Alright. Number 10 question says, what name is given to the stages in life of a man at which the reproductive organs matured? What name is given to the what? The stages in life of a man at which the reproductive organs matured? A. Puberty. B. Adolescence. C. Infancy. D. Toddler. E. Adulthood.
A. Puberty.
Poverty? Kai, are you sure? Retinko, be sure of what you have said. Poverty, not poverty. So you stand by that, and the rest of the group member, you agree with what he said. So it's your choice. You got it right. So, and that is the end of the question on basic science. Over to you, sir.
Alright, Alhamdulillah. So the next quiz competition is going to be mathematics. So you should get ready, please. Very well. Pardon?
Assalamu alaikum. The next subject we are going for is mathematics in the junior section, and as before, the mathematics is going to be in such a way that each participant will come and pick a question. The question will be written on the board for that participant, and he will solve it within a stipulated time. So without much waste of our time, we will move straight ahead from the first group. So the first group participants should come out. The first group participants that will represent should come out. That's Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house. So,
for those that are not participants of mathematics, you'll excuse those that will participate in mathematics, please. It has come to my notice that some of you are not the ones who participate in maths, right? Then you excuse those to participate in maths. Let them come in. Madam. Okay.
The representative of the first group should come over and pick their question.
Pick a question.
Just pick any question. Give it to him. Then.
Okay. The first group have chosen a question, a very interesting one.
Take the black marker.
The question is simplify x into 1 minus 2y square. It's a simplification. Simplify x into 1 minus 2y square.
So that's the question given to group 1 member. That's from Abubakar Mahmoud Ukmi's house. There he is trying to solve the problem. So let's see what happens. He's trying to help his group members. The group members can always be vigilant. If you see any need for intervening, you can always do that. So let's see what happens now. He is doing some kind of rough work by the side to arrive at the final answer. So, group members, are you satisfied with his solution? Are you true? If you are true, Malam is there to mark the question. I think, Malan, you can go ahead.
Time up.
What an excellent performance. He broke everything down and got a total mark of 2. Alright, it's an interesting start. We are moving to the next house, which is Albany's house. Hey, listen, let's settle down. The representative from Albany's house should come out and take a question for their group. Representative from Albany's house. Representative from Albany's house.
Confidently.
Representative from Albany's house. We are waiting. They kept deliberating before choosing the person to come and take up the challenge. So there is a representative from Albany's house.
The twin brother of the other question, simplification as well. Simplify x minus 3 all over 4 minus x plus 1 all over 3. He chooses a simplification as well. Simplify x minus 3 all over 4 minus x plus 1 over 3.
So there is the question, and the group members should always be vigilant. If you see anything that requires your intervention, you can always go and help your group member. So the question is still there, saying simplify x minus 3 over 4 minus x plus 1 over 3. Group members can always be vigilant to see if there is need to help. Group 2, I think
Another participant.
another participant can come over to help him out. Another participant can come out to help him out. Yeah, you can come out. You come out.
Time up.
It's time. Then that goes for 0. It seems the Albany's house. We are moving to the next. The next house is Bawami Shinkafa's house, and here is the representative. He is speaking their question.
Bawami Shinkafa's question goes like this. Find the sum of 3x, 1 minus 6x, 4x, and x. Find the summation of 3x, 1 minus 6x, 4x, and x. Find the sum of 3x, 1 minus 6x, 4x, and x.
We are having Bawami Shinkafa's house on stage now. A student is given a question to find the sum of certain expressions: 3x, 1 minus 6x, 4x, and x.
Find the sum of 3x, 1 minus 6x, 4x, and x.
The group members can always be of help, so you always look at what your group member is doing. If there is need for intervention, you can always help your group member out. Well, I hope the group members are vigilant. I hope you've seen the question and you are also trying it your own ways. Group members, I hope you are looking at what he's doing. You want to help?
Time up.
Your time is up, and let's wait to see what the judge will give. So he earned their group a total of 0.5 marks. At least he had some steps. So we are moving to the fourth group, that is Jafar Mahmoud Adams' house. A member from that group should come out to represent their group.
Oh no. Jafar Mahmoud House have chosen the question. What problem? A certain number is divided by 5. 4 is added to it and the result is 9. Find the number. Yes, a number is missing and we want to find that number. But we are told that that certain number is divided by 5. 4 is added to the number, that's to it, and the result is 9. Find the number.
Group 4, Jafar Mahmood Adam's house, have chosen another question, which is a word problem, saying a certain number is divided by 5, 4 is added to it, and the result is 9. Find the number. Group members, you can always be vigilant to see what your group member is doing. He started with the solution, and his first step, he's written x divided by 5 plus 4 equals 9. So we're waiting to see his next.
Participants can come up and help him.
You can always come and help.
Group members, if you have anything to help, you can come up.
You do it by your side. Allow him and do your own. Hey, allow him and do your own by the side. Do it by the side without looking at his own. Just do your own.
SS classes over there, absolute silence please.
Two participants from group 4 are still battling with the question.
Time is up.
Time is up, so we can stop. Both the two members of the group have done their own part, so the judge is there now. Let's see what happens. They have earned a total of 1 mark. That's an excellent result to some extent. Dealing with word problem is not an easy thing, I believe. So we are moving to the second round, starting with Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house. A representative is already out to pick a question.
The first group again, you have chosen question number 13, which asks him to factorize YF minus CG minus YG plus CF. Factorize. Factorize YF minus CG minus YG plus CF.
This is group 1 again, Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house, with their representative trying to solve the problem. The problem says he should factorize YF minus CJ
Give him a marker.
minus
by the
YG
side.
plus CF. So another member of the group felt he had another approach. There he is trying to help the first member.
Oh, no, it's a maximum of one participant.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Never confuse your representative. Allow them to do it. Two members from the same group still battling with the question. Two members from the same group still battling with the question.
Time is up.
And it's time. So let's wait and see from the judge what they've earned themselves. Group 2, be ready. Group 2, that's Albany's house. Be ready. They've earned 0 marks for their group. So we are moving to group 2, that's Albany's house. Group 2, a representative from group 2. There is the representative from group 2. He has chosen the question for their own group. So
Group 2 have chosen the question 11. Find the value of t in the equation 2t minus 7 equals to 15. The question asks him to find the value of t in the equation 2t minus 7 equals to 15. Find the value of t in the equation 2t minus 7 equals to 15.
group members can always see what he is doing. If you how to help him out, you can always go ahead and do that. Okay, there is another one from the group trying to help out. You can do it by the side. So there is a member from the group.
The second participant should come back to this group. Move.
We are still with Albany's house. Still with Albany's house. Two participants from the group still battling with the question. Albany's house, we are still with that group. I think the judge needs to be ready because it's almost time.
Time is up.
So, two members have battled with the question. So let's see what the judge will say about that. Group 3 should start warming up. That's Bawa Mission Kafa's house. Should start warming up for their question. They earn themselves 0 marks for that. So we are moving to group 3, Bawa Mission Kafa's house. A representative should come forward to select a question for that house. And he's done that. So let's see the question he's selected.
The question goes like this. It's asked to expand 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. The question is an expansion and is asked to expand 2x minus 1 into x minus 3.
Okay, we have a representative from group 3, that's Bawa Mission Kafa's house. The group members can always be vigilant to see if there is need to help. You can always help when the need arises. So there is Bami Shinkafa's house representative. Another member from the group wants to help. Another member from the group wants to help. So there we are with the group member that wants to help. We are still with two participants from the same house also battling with the question, which says expand 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. So let's see what happens. Group members can always be vigilant to see what their group representatives are doing out there.
Time is up.
And time is up. Let's see what the judge has to say about the solution of the steps. The next group is group 4. That's Jafar Mahmood Adams' house. There is their representative coming out. There is their representative coming out.
Question. Ask him to find the mean, the median, and mode of the following set of numbers. The numbers are 634, 678, 4859. He's asked to find the mean, the median, and the mode of the following set of datas. The datas include 6, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 4, 8, 5, 9.
Question given is on simple statistics for the representative to determine mean, median, and mode of a given data. Group members can always be vigilant. Group members can always be vigilant. Group members can always be vigilant. You can always help. Yeah, a group member is there to help. Take your side. Group 1, you need to start warming up for the last round. You need to start warming up for the last round of the mathematics quiz competition. There we have also two members of group 4, that's Jafar Mahmoud Adams' house, also battling with the same question.
Time up.
So there is group 4 with their solution to the question they have chosen. Group 1, Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house should be ready. They earn a total of 1 mark for group 1. For group 4, Jafar Mahmoud Adams' house, they've earned 1 mark for the second round question. Now we are moving to the last round, starting with Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house. They have also chosen their own question for the last round.
The question is, if 2x squared minus 3y is equals to 8, find the positive value of x when y is equals to 14. If 2x squared minus 3y is equals to 8, find the positive value of x when y is equals to 14. The question is, if 2x squared minus 3y is equals to 8, find the positive value of x when y is equals to 14.
There is a student who chose a question, and there he is with the question. I'm seeing some confidence in the students. see the student getting better by the seconds. There we have the student battling with the question, two of them from the same group, that's group 1, Abubakar Mahmoud Gumi's house. There is the heat with the question and the student are still battling with it. I have to be proud, even though I don't know what the judge will say, but I have seen some confidence in a student, even though I am not very good with maths, but then I can still see something. The board is full of the solution. The students finally arrive at the same answer, but let's wait and see what the judge will say. Let's see what the judge have for us. And I can see the judge is still marking good. Still marking good. Still marking good. And that is an excellent solution by group 1 in this round. We are moving to group 2, Albany's house. Albany's house, we are waiting for your representative. Time is not on our side. Albany's house. Albany's house. Time is not on our side. Waiting for a representative from that house. Albany's house. Albany's house.
The question goes like this: if P is directly proportional to Q and P equals to 6 when Q is equals to 2, find the formula connecting P and Q. There's a variation. If P is directly proportional to Q and P equals to 6 when Q is equals to 2, find the formula connecting P and Q.
Albany's house are on stage with their representative faced with a question on variation. The question is asking the participants to find the formula connecting P and Q. So let's see what happens. There is a student breaking down the question. Moving step by step, gently. The question says find the formula connecting P and Q. He's done 2 steps now. He's moving to the next one. He's breaking down the question. He's break.
Time is up.
Time is over. We are waiting for the judge to finalize the whole thing. It seems the student have done well, but he hasn't finished solving the problem. It's a good try. He earned their group a total of 1 mark. So we are moving to the next group, that's Baomi Shinkafa's house, waiting for their group member that will represent Baomi Shinkafa's house. Baomi Shinkafa's house. You know, it's something of courage to be here on stage even if you are not solving a single problem.
The question he chooses is an expression where he's asked to express 32 as a multiple of prime factor in index form. Express 32 as a multiple of prime factor in index form. Express 32 as a multiple of prime factors in index form.
Baomi Shinkafa's house on stage with a question saying express 32 as a multiple of prime factors in index form. We have the student there trying to solve the problem, and I believe the group members are vigilant to see if there is need for help. They should know that they can always help if there is need for that. You can always help if there is need for that. Another member from the group coming out, trying to help his own group. So he's moving. We have something going on, so let's see what happens. You know, sometimes even if you are not good at something, but if you see the confidence in someone, you can still predict whether he's doing the right thing. Even if I'm wrong, I believe I have seen some confidence in someone. So we are waiting for the judge. We are waiting for the judge.
Time is up.
Time is up. And what an excellent, judgment by the judge. What I have seen is what came true. So there is last participants. Please let's see. Jafar Mahmood Adams House, your representative, please. We don't have time. Jafar Mahmood Adams House. This is last round.